Hello everyone, today I'm recording my a little bit late unboxing video for MacBook Air M2 due to my long and exhausting working sessions. There is rain sound on the background noise, but I have to get the video done, so thanks for your understanding. I'm a lifelong Windows user and this is the first time I bought a MacBook for myself. Before this device, I used ThinkPad T480S since 2000. It was the best computer for me during the utilization period. However, as all Windows devices, it didn't support my Apple ecosystem of iPad and iPhone. So that I was thinking for a while to buy a new MacBook Pro and waiting for new M3 Pro. But there was a deal on Amazon and I bought it immediately by monthly installment option of Amazon. It cost me nearly $1,100 for base model and I'm truly happy with this deal. As you can see, we have still an amazing box design on Apple products. Here is the standard brochure and sticker of the same color as MacBook Air. We have 30-watt adapter with new MagSafe detachable USB Type-C cable with it. I mimicked this awesome MagSafe design on my ThinkPad with the help of Bezos MagSafe apparatus for 4 years, and eventually I have this feature from scratch on my laptop. opening sound is impressive enough to hype me for using this device.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Let's open accessories that I bought for it. Soft case is the first thing comes out from the pocket. It feels rigid and durable for my Mac. Also, it has been passed the military test according to fold down and crushes. Second thing is keyboard cover. It is not very special but very useful. I hope it will help to keep clean my keyboard. Last but not least, faded screen protector from GE Tech. It has good comments below the Amazon page, however, it was very hard to apply perfectly on screen. There are two pairs in the box, but I wasted one of them and made it at second trial. It has slim acetate paper-like feeling, and probably next time I will try out 9H glass-like screen protector for my MacBook Air. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.